Alright guys, all done. Got the two pumps on and all wired up. So, and the sender is there. It looks a lot more compact than what the old one did. I mean, it's a lot of the hoses all cut the length and the right and just seem to work. Also using the butt connectors as well for wiring, which seems to reduce a lot of space. And put it up the right side. There you go. You see that pretty much the pump level is just right on the where the pickups are, which is great. I decided instead of using PHR Racing, they had a little 90-degree fittings for the sender wires. I decided just to remove those and just solder them directly to the actual sender themselves. Just didn't like the idea of the wires just hanging over where the seal was. Other than that, no, it's been great. Now let's go and wire this up. I mean, install it. Do the fuel pump relay wiring, because I'm going to add in the other pump as well. Probably end up like staging them or something like that. Yeah, good. All right, see you soon.